Peter Martinez. Oftentimes, a kitchen fire can be traced back to the original design. The design could be flawed. We could have the wrong gauge of metal. We could have unwelded duct. We could have the wrong installation. There's many factors, no clean outdoors, many other factors of design that would cause a fire to spread beyond the scope of what it was designed. As Leo said previously, we have grease-laden vapors in the air and we have an ignition source. So we want to make sure that your commercial kitchen exhaust is clean. The way your kitchen equipment is laid out and positioned is crucial. The ductwork has to be accessible. Besides every turn needing a clean outdoor, the horizontal duct also needs clean outdoors every 10 to 15 feet or more often if needed. Fire suppression is crucial to be in place. It cannot be obstructed. The nozzles must be free and clear, and the cooking equipment design must remain the same as original. Ultimately, we need to prevent the accumulation of grease. Grease is the cause of the fire. First, we should change our filters on a daily basis. We should do duct cleans, anywhere from once a month to every 3 months. Many times we have to redesign systems done by others. They didn't design them right. In this particular case, the fresh air was designed behind a brick wall without access for maintenance. It was a no-brainer, but they did it anyway. Now we have to break walls and redesign and interrupt the restaurant. The restaurant's gonna have to close and lose tons of business. We have many fires in our restaurants. There's major ones and there's minor ones. We look to open our restaurants up within a few hours after they have a system discharge. We're on emergency service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Well, our response time is usually 2 to 3 hours. It's crucial that we get there because the restaurant is totally out of business. They have no gas. So my response team goes there, opens the gas, puts the system back into place, flushes the pipes, and the owner will be back in business usually within 2 or 3 hours. If it's a major fire, then we have to analyze the situation. The whole fire system might have to be taken down. Ductwork might have to be replaced. We work with the NBAT, and that's the New York City Business Acceleration Team, to be able to reopen the restaurant as fast as possible. We have designed a 5-point program to help you, the restaurateur, avoid commercial kitchen fires. Train your staff on proper cleaning procedures. 2, ensure the system is accessible. 3, establish proper cleaning frequency. 4, make sure the cleanings are complete. 5, establish a regular and consistent inspection schedule. We need to know that your exhaust fan is properly engineered to extract the contaminants and grease-laden vapors from your hood. Your fire suppression system must be up with the latest codes. The latest code right now and regulations are UL 300. UL 300 has been designed for today's greases, which are high temperature igniting grease. They also have been provided to splash less and not have grease splash against the operators of the restaurant. These systems have been tested by UL and are the very cutting edge in fire systems at this point. People are no longer using animal fats, with the use of animal fats being phased out to vegetable oils. The dry chemical systems are no longer effective. The dry chemical system are the systems of the past. If you have a dry chemical system, it must be upgraded to a wet chemical system. The wet chemical system is a UL 300 system. There are wet chemical systems that are non-UL 300, so you must upgrade those also. The fires are much hotter, and dry chemical will not put that kind of fire out. We have designed a UL 300 system, which is a wet chemical that will suppress the fires much better than the dry chemical.